Now, let's make a tiger. Take the yellow piece of paper. Let's draw the tiger, just like this. Alright, and here are the ears. Draw 4 circles right here and cut it out. Now, let's take the marker. Let's give the tiger 2 ears and some stripes. Now let's give the tiger a nose. Great! And some whiskers. Give the tiger some more stripes. And some on its tail. Alright, some more stripes. Now, the tiger needs 2 eyes. Alright, and let's give the tiger a mouth. Great! Look! It's a tiger!